Hello YouTubers, once again this is Chikodzi. I'm here in the studio with my good friend Dylan Gotizo. Still on the series of F sharp. I'm going to take a look at the song Mwari Muri Zuvaredu. It's a good hymn, a very common hymn in Zimbabwe. So this is how it sounds. 1 5. Then you play a 2/5. Then 1 5 1. Then you still on the 1 1. Then you go to the 4. Yeah. So what I'm playing is this is a yeah. So you are playing a 1 chord like this as an add 9. Zuvaredu. Then you play your 5. Then Rino Peña. Then you go to the 5 chord, to your 2 chord. You can also do this movement, leading you to your 2. 1 5 1. Then still on the 1. 4 chord, then 4 as a minor 6. Yeah, also I've also taught this movement. Whenever you are going to the 4, use the 6 7 1 3 4. So na 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 na. Also, you can use a 6 5 3 4. So many ways that you can use the passing chords. You can also do, maybe you want to go to the 4 chord, you can also do. See? So let me use this movement in the song so you can really hear how it really sounds on the song. So yeah, this is, you can also do this. You can also do this move. You see? So what I'm playing is this is a 1 chord. Then I move a semitone down. Also another semitone down. Still it's the same thing. You can do the same thing on your left hand if you want. If you don't want to still hold on your 1, you can do so. Then you close your song. I think pretty much that's all that you can do to the song. There's a lot of passing chords that you can also use this. We have taught these lessons. You can also play this whenever you're going to the 4. This is an outer chord. You can play this, leading you to your 4. Whenever you're on your 1, you can also do a 2 5 1, so that you don't keep on playing the same chord like this. You can also do this. Fancy, right? Yeah. pretty much that's all that you can do. So let me just play this song as a whole, and then you can hear how it sounds with the passing chords. I will put some chord changes here and there. So thank you guys for watching. This is Raw Koro Music Academy. I'm here in the studio with my good friend Dylan Gotizo. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.